In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between two popular AI writing tools, Writecream and Writesonic. For your convenience, the links to both Writecream and Writesonic are in the description below so you can try them out. Let's start by comparing the features of both tools. Writecream offers a wide range of features including AI-powered content generation, grammar checking, and plagiarism detection. On the other hand, Writesonic also provides similar features but with a focus on generating marketing copy, blog posts, and social media content. When it comes to pricing, Writecream offers a variety of plans to choose from, starting from a free plan with limited features to premium plans with advanced functionalities. Writesonic, on the other hand, also offers many plans from free to enterprise plan. Writecream offers $0 per month and also Writesonic offers free plans start from $0 per month. In terms of use cases, Writecream is suitable for writers, bloggers, and content creators looking to improve their writing efficiency and quality. On the other hand, Writesonic is more focused on marketers and business owners looking to generate engaging and persuasive content for their marketing campaigns. In conclusion, both Writecream and Writesonic are powerful AI writing tools with their own unique features and use cases. Depending on your specific needs and budget, you can choose the one that best suits your requirements. Click the link in the description to try Writecream and Writesonic for free.